Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important electronic component that you've probably heard of but might not fully understand, the capacitor. A capacitor is an electronic component that stores electrical energy in an electric field. It is made up of two conductive plates separated by a dielectric material. When a voltage is applied to the capacitor, one plate becomes positively charged and the other becomes negatively charged, storing energy in the electric field between them. Capacitors are commonly used in electronic circuits to filter out noise, smooth power supplies, and store energy for short periods. Thanks for watching our video today. We hope you learned something new about the capacitor, an essential component in electronic circuits. Remember, capacitors store electrical energy in an electric field and are used for filtering noise, smoothing power supplies, and storing energy. Many different types of capacitors are available, each with unique properties and applications. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced electronics enthusiast, understanding the capacitor is key to building successful circuits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.